So you're looking up, right? At that big blue thing above your head? Yeah, the sky. Ever bothered to wonder why it's, blue? Probably not, because who really cares? But since you're here, let's just get this over with. Basically, you've got sunlight, which looks kind of yellow, but it's actually all the colors of the rainbow mushed together like a chaotic light smoothie. This light then blasts towards Earth, and before it gets to your eyeballs, it hits our atmosphere, that invisible blanket of gases, mostly nitrogen and oxygen, with some random dust and other crud floating around. Now, these tiny bits in the atmosphere are real party poopers for light. They scatter it, sending it bouncing in all directions. But here's the slightly interesting part. Not all colors are treated equally. Blue light, because it's got a super short, zippy wavelength, don't ask, just accept it, gets scattered way more efficiently than the other colors, like red or yellow, which mostly just cruise on through. So as the sun's light enters our atmosphere, that hyperactive blue light is just ricocheting everywhere, bouncing off every single tiny particle, turning the entire sky into one big scattered blue mess. That's why no matter where you look, it just appears blue. It's literally just blue light coming at you from every angle, because all the other colors are mostly minding their own business. And if you're thinking, but what about sunsets? Genius. They're all red and orange. Well, when the sun is low on the horizon, its light has to travel through way more atmosphere to get to you, meaning most of that overenthusiastic blue light has already been scattered away, leaving you with just the chill, less scattered reds and oranges. So yeah, the sky's blue because blue light is a show-off. And sunsets are red because blue light couldn't be bothered to stick around. There, now you know. Don't expect a medal or anything